EFCC arrests Kano TikTok influencer Murja Kunya for alleged Naira mutilation. Operatives of the Kano Zonal Directorate of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, have arrested popular TikTok influencer Murja Ibrahim Kunya for allegedly abusing and mutilating the Naira. Specifically, Kunya was arrested for allegedly spraying Naira notes for fun during her stay in a hotel room at Tahir Guest Palace in Kano. The arrest followed her diligent pursuit by EFCC operatives after she jumped an administrative bail granted her by the Commission over 1 month ago. She was initially arrested in January 2025 for violating the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) Act, which prohibits the abuse and mutilation of the Naira. She was granted an administrative bail by the Commission pending her arraignment before the Federal High Court in Kano. However, when it was time for her court appearance, Kunya absconded, evading the legal processes. However, after weeks of intensive investigation and surveillance, EFCC operatives successfully rearrested the TikTok influencer on Sunday, March 16, 2025. She was subsequently conveyed to the Kano Zonal Directorate of the Commission, where she is currently in custody awaiting her arraignment. The EFCC reiterates its commitment to enforcing laws protecting the integrity of the Nigerian currency and warned against acts of abuse including spraying, stamping, or mutilating the currency during social events. Visit efcc.gov.ng for more stories.